and welcome back to Science with Sarah, episode 4. Today I have my lovely lab assistant Oreo right here with me in her cat stroller. You can buy these on Amazon for $40. Do it. Okay, so don't actually buy a cat stroller unless you have a cat and you want to. You can use it for dogs too. Okay, so today we are going to be making a baking soda volcano. And I'm hoping to get a big boom because I want a big boom. It is Earth Science Week, I believe, so we are celebrating the Earth with a volcano. So, step 1 of this whole thing is to get our materials. You will need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and an empty 20-ounce drinking bottle, which I only have a 16.9, so it'll work. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, I already said that. A deep plate or pan, gel food coloring, dishwashing detergent, baking soda is very important, and so is vinegar. So, first step is we have to make the volcano. So, we will be making a dough-like substance. If you hear rustling, that is my lab assistant leaving her station. Okay, so we are going to mix together 3 cups of flour, which I have handily poured out beforehand. 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, which I'm using canola oil, which is also commonly referred to as vegetable oil. You will need to know that for your future cooking endeavors in college when you have to make your own meals so that you're not eating ramen every day. It gets boring after a while. Okay, put that there, off to the side. Okay. You can either work the dough with your hands or stir it with a spoon until the mixture is smooth. I'm going to use my cool spoon. I got it in an Emerald cookbook way back when. So I am stirring my dough. I think this is the time when you go to use your hands. I dropped some dough. That's unfortunate. Okay. Mixing the dough. So, if you like, I should have read that part first. If you like, you can add a few drops of food coloring to the dough to make it volcano colored. Okay. Let's do red and yellow. I'm gonna mix my red in first. I'm going to just drop it everywhere. Oh, that looks like a horror show. Right. Paint explosion. That was fun. Mildly fun. Okay, and now we continue our mixing endeavors. Food coloring. Squirt, squirt, squirt. I need to add a little more water because, as you can see, I did not get all my flour in the bowl. I need a new camera crew. Oh yeah, that is feeling like how it's supposed to. Goop it up. Goop. Okay. Pause while I wash my hands. You know, it'd be really funny if you just like speed this up and add like a funny music to it. to make our cone. That is the volcano. With my handy dandy piece of cardboard that I pulled out from nowhere. I'm going to have my bottle most of the way full with hot tap water. Okay, so in terms of my better judgment, I've decided to fill my bottle slightly full with hot water because I think it's going to cause problems in the future when I want to blow stuff up. So, next step is to shape the volcano. Okay, I'm making the cone finally. Alright, so you might want to do 6 cups of flour, as 3 cups does not make a satisfying cone. And I forgot the salt, so I am sprinkling my creation with salt and compacting it into my dough in case it does something. Hopefully it does not. We'll find out. And then add a squirt of dishwashing detergent and some baking soda. So I'm going to do a decent squirt of that. Ooh, I made a bubble. And then I'm going to use different measuring spoons. Actually, yeah, I'm going to use different measuring spoons. And a funnel. It made a really fun sound. 2 tablespoons. I'm going to do maybe 4 tablespoons. Actually, I'm gonna do 5. 5's my favorite number. What we're going to do is we can now add food coloring so that when our eruption takes place, we have a colorful kaboom. Let's do blue lava. It'd be cool if I could make purple, but I can't exactly swirl this. I think we're out of blue food coloring. That's disappointing. You may wish to dribble some food coloring down the sides of your volcano. When the volcano erupts, the lava will flow down the sides and will pick up the coloring. I think ours is pretty colored. And I just put like 10 drops of blue food coloring in there and it does not look good. Okay, step 4. We are going to the outside. Alright, so here is your fun fact that you can email to your teacher before I blow this up. The baking soda and vinegar volcano erupts because of an acid-based reaction. Baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, vinegar, which is an acidic acid, creates carbon dioxide, water, sodium ion, and acetate ion, which makes one of those equations that you've been balancing lately. I know that because I'm sitting in the living room when you have your class. Yay! Okay, so breaking it down, you have a really fancy equation, which basically means that the acidic acid reacts with and neutralizes the sodium bicarbonate, which is the base, and the carbon dioxide that is given off is a gas. Carbon dioxide is responsible for the fizzing and the bubbling during our eruption. So, here we go, the moment of truth. I gotta open my vinegar. Okay. And here we go. I put a lot of sodium in this. Oh boy. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at it go! And it smells really bad. Like all of our reactions have. It smells bad. It's bubbling. I'm dripping vinegar onto the back porch. My dad's gonna love me. I'm gonna pour more in. Alright, so we're gonna end our video here. Your fun fact is that paragraph I read to you about probably after we edited this, probably about a minute ago. And you email that into your teacher for a bonus point. And now me and your teacher are gonna clean up the back porch because I am now dripping blue vinegar everywhere, which is bad. So do this in the grass so you don't have to clean this up. Okay, cool. See you next week on Science.